Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a purse collection part 5. Yes y'all, we are on part 5. I did part 4 about a month ago, so it's time to revamp and show y'all some of the new purses like I've been creating and I've been buying. So yeah, let's not waste any time and let's get straight into it. As y'all can see already, right here is something blocking the camera, and this is the first purse. I guess we're going to start here so we can get this one out of the way. This is the first purse. I think I did this picture maybe like had to be a month ago because I just recently did part 4 a month ago, so it has to be shortly after that. This is my TV purse. I know y'all can't see the whole thing. I'm gonna pick it up for y'all so y'all can see the whole thing in a second. This is the purse that I used when I wore my Penny Proud shorts. I was kind of going for the same thing like I went with The Simpsons. It was a TV show, so I said, why not use a bigger TV? Because it's basically like the same thing, if y'all get what I'm saying, because it's a TV show also. So I was like, okay, well, let me up it and use a bigger TV. I originally had planned to use a bigger TV, but I couldn't carry it. This was the biggest TV I could carry. So yeah, that's what was going on, like my inspo for this purse. Let me try to pick it up for y'all. Like, it doesn't even fit in the screen, it's that big. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can even see, but here's the scrap on it and everything. It has the I put the TV stand back on it so it can stand up because I took it off for the picture, because the TV stand adds a lot of extra weight. And y'all, this TV is already heavy, so we don't need any extra weight added. And for the people that ask, like, is this a real TV? Yes, it's a real TV. Let me turn it to the back for y'all. Y'all can see, like, all of the components, like, all of the real TV components. And y'all, I don't know how much this TV weighs, but this TV is heavy. This is by far like the heaviest purse like I ever had. Like, the first TV, I thought that was heavy. No, that's a piece of cake to this TV compared to this TV. Let me put it on my shoulder for y'all. I don't even know if y'all can see. Okay, this thing is humongous, but yeah, that's the first purse I've created so far since the last video. Yeah, let me know what y'all think about my TV purse in the comments. And as y'all know, I attached the pictures on the side so y'all can get like the full look with the purses. But yeah, this is the TV purse. And this TV heavy. Now that we got purse 1 out of the way, let's get into purse 2. Purse 2 is just something, you know, I would call this a regular purse. Some may not, but I would. But this is my Morton Salt purse. Yes, I got this purse from HalloweenCostumes.com. This is my salt purse, y'all, and I was waiting for this salt purse to come in stock for months. Yes, like, y'all, got some dents in it. Like, I usually like put a towel or something in here, like, to, you know, puff it out, so that's why it's like all bent up and stuff. But that's a hack. Like, if y'all ever, you know, have a purse that gets bent up, like, put like a book or something in it and it'll like bring it back to life. But yeah, this is my Morton Salt purse. A few of y'all really thought that this was a actual can of salt, but no, this is a purse. Here's like an actual, like, just side by side, like, this is real salt. Like, this is real salt, you see? Yeah, real salt. But yes, like, this is a large purse. Let me show y'all close up. And this purse is a lot lighter than the TV purse, so yeah. But this is just the inside. It's just plain, you know, regular. Had a scrap. You could take this scrap off, leave it on. You know, it's your choice. You know, whatever best fits you. But yeah, I used this on my outfit with, I think I had with the Jordan 13 Obsidians. I finally used those. I had a whole nother, like, outfit idea I was gonna do with those, and I was like, okay, I seen this salt purse and I was like, this salt purse matches perfectly with the obsidian. So that's what I decided to do. I decided to pair those two together. And I had this like sweater set from Fashion Nova that I had like my closet for like over a year. I had it a long time. I'm telling y'all, like, I had it marinating for a long time, and I was like, okay, the Salt Lady wears like this yellow mustard color, so it's the perfect time to pull that. It was the perfect time to pull that set out then. So that's what I did. I pulled it out. And yeah, my caption was salty because my mom wouldn't let me turn her 75-inch TV into a purse. Yeah, so that was the caption for that, and I was really salty behind that. So I was like, this is the perfect purse, because I wasn't through with the TVs. I was gonna do a part 3, y'all, but like I told y'all, the TV, I couldn't carry it. But yeah, I tried. So I was a little bit salty about that. So I said this would be the perfect bag for that. But yeah, and actually when I took my pictures, I held the bag backwards. Yeah, this is the front. I just noticed that. But yeah, this is my Morton Salt purse. You see I still got the tag on it. But yeah, purse number 2. Purse number 3 would have to be my PlayStation purse right here. Yes, I had this PlayStation. I got it on my birthday of last year. So I had this PlayStation for a while, y'all. And I seen this cute sweater set. And y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but you can see on my Instagram that I'm obsessed with these like fire flame sweater sets. So this is my 3rd set that I wore. I think I have it in yellow and red, blue and purple, and now I have it in pink and purple because that Dollskill just dropped this. So I was like, okay, I need something to match this, and I couldn't find a purse to match this. So I was like, I got this PlayStation under my bed, so why don't I add a strap on that and turn it into a purse? So yeah, this is an actual PlayStation. It still works. I only use this PlayStation maybe 1 or 2 times because I don't know how to work it. So yeah, I don't know how to work it. Like, I get to the home screen, plug it up and everything, and I don't know how to get the games or anything. But yeah, I'm gonna have to work on that. But in the meantime, I will be using it as a purse. You always call these like bonnet scraps. Like, these scraps are really cute to me. I don't know, but yeah, they said they look like bonnets. I could kind of see it. But yeah, this would have to be one of my favorite purses. And it's not heavy like the TV purse. It's very lightweight. And like and the scrap is on here very good, so it's not going to fall apart. Because I know some people were saying, oh, if she dropped that, it's not coming apart. Like, believe me, it can't. It's impossible. Like, even if I want to actually plug this up, I'm gonna have to leave the scrap on it, and I can't get it off. As you see with the TV purse, like, it's impossible to get those scraps off. So I never worry about the item falling or anything because it can't. And I paired it with like another accessory, like my little, I wanted to throw some like pink into the like, I wanted to throw a splash of pink into the photo. So that's when I had this rose gold controller, and I was like, this will really make the photo pop, you know, because you can't have a PlayStation without a controller. So that's when I decided, I couldn't decide between both because black matches perfectly. It's the original controller that came with the game set, and pink goes with it also because it's like a little splash of pink. And I paired these with my bubble slides. Everybody's calling them grape shoes with their bubble slides. Yeah, but I really like this along with my pink controller. Yeah, I really like this with my pink controller. And yes, this is purse number 3. Next, we're on to my final and most recent purse, number 4, which is, I'm sure y'all all know, the printer purse. Right here, here it is. I needed a purse to match my set I have got from Fashion Nova. It's been sitting on there for months, y'all. That set was out of stock also, and I was waiting for it to come back in stock. Yes, my printer purse. And I had to, let me get this set actually. Yes, okay, so I'm back, y'all. I had to go get it. I wanted to pair it with this set right here. This set. Here's the little skirt. And here's the jacket. Y'all, I was obsessed with this set. Everybody says this look like shoestrings, but I could kind of see it now. But I was obsessed with this set. It gave me like a fossil vibe, y'all. And I honestly didn't know what purse to pair with that. Y'all know I like have like over hundreds of purses, and I didn't know or couldn't find any purse to like suit that outfit well. And this has been sitting on my shelf for months, and I was like, I finally need to put this purse, this set, to use, because I was like thirsty to like put it on. So that's what I put it on with my Yeezy slides. And yeah, that's when I was like, what type of purse could I use? And I was just thinking, I was like, okay, I had this printer under my bed, and I'm like, I think my printer matches this set. So that's when I was like, a printer purse. Because I'm like, as y'all could see, like, I don't know if y'all could tell, but like the little gray and all that, even though this is like a greenish color with the slides, I was like, okay, I can pull it all together. So that's what I tried to do with this printer. And this is a real printer. This is my actual printer that I use. Everything, I just glue the paper tray up, and the little thing where the paper comes out, I glued that so it could, you know, because it kept closing every time I like picked it up. And no, we need it to be like, we need to show like it's a printer. This is what I call my printer purse, or my copy machine purse, whatever you prefer to call it. But yes, this is a full functional one. And when I thought about this, my original caption was going to be all facts, no printer, or something like that. Or y'all know the Nicki lyric, I heard they trying to make another me. Or it was another one, I can't think of it right now. I had like a couple captions. All facts, no printer, they're trying to make another me. Or you can even go back to Diggy Simmons, they be trying to copy and paste me. Or the Nicki lyric, they copying, and that's facts though. So I was like, okay. And then I heard the Macy song, copy that, and I was like, okay. So it grew on me, and I was like, okay, that's the perfect caption to put with this, because the song is hitting that, you know, right now. So it wouldn't be any other caption that would fit better than that caption. So that's when I decided to turn it into that. And I was like, okay, that's the perfect time. I got this printer purse, the song is out, so I can use that. So my original caption was, so you don't like me? Copy that, if I'm quoting that right. But yeah, it's on my Instagram at Afropuffjada, and y'all can check that out. But yes, that was the inspo behind that. I couldn't find anything online or any purses that I had here to match it. Like the closest purse I was gonna find to match it was gonna have to be like a cereal purse, and I already did that, so I didn't really want to do it. I had already did that, so I really didn't want to do it again with the cereal bag. So I'm like, let me pull this copy machine out, because it matches my outfit perfect. But yeah, with the Yeezy slides, with my Yeezy slides, let me pull it up here. Some people say like it doesn't match, but it kind of do. It kind of do. It's not the exact color, but y'all, like when the shoes is on your feet and your skirt is up here, like you can pull it off. You can pull it off. So that's what we have to do. We all know Kanye have like these weird colorways for his Yeezys and all that. I don't even know what color this is. Like he makes up colors, I feel like. So you have like a hard time trying to match your slides. So if you get any of his slides, just beware the colorway, and please ensure that it matches. Like what I like to do is like go on Instagram, I type in like the name of the shoe I'm going to buy of like Kanye, so I could get like other images, because the images on GOAT aren't always the exact color that the shoe is, because different lighting, okay? The lighting of the picture matters, so always check different sources for your images, like when you're trying to find like a certain shoe to match, just to ensure that it's gonna match before you get it, because you don't want to end up like me and it be off a little bit. But yeah, that's what happened in this case. Yeah, I actually had to buy 2 pair of slides, because the first pair of slides I bought didn't match my outfit. That was like from last year. But yeah, you live and you learn. So just make sure that the color really matches. But yeah, this is my 4th and final purse, and this is my 5th purse collection video. We're gonna end it off with the printer purse. And yes, the printer worked. And for a fun fact, I actually used this printer to make my Girl Scout cookies Halloween costume last year. I printed out the letters and everything, and even like the image on the cookies, because they aren't really Girl Scout cookies. Because I couldn't find any Girl Scout cookies around that time, so I just got an image from Google, and I printed it out and glued it to a box of Annie crackers or cookies. I think they're crackers. It doesn't matter, but I glued it on the box. So yeah, and this printer also printed it also printed my images for my TV, both of my TV purses. So y'all, this printer comes in handy. And yes, it's fully functional. All I have to do is just plug it up, and I can get right to printing. I have my ink cartridges in here also. I just recently bought ink for my TV purse. Let me know what other videos y'all want to see, and comment your favorite purse below. And you can even comment your least favorite purse below. Just leave a comment below, and leave a like on this video, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and we out.